Advanced sample search makes it easy to identify particles with different shapes and sizes. Load the sample onto the slide and select an appropriate objective for the correct magnification of the particles to be measured. A standard or a custom library can be set for sample identification. Open the Sample Search dialog. The particles will automatically be identified by the last set of parameters that were used. The user can update those parameters by shape, contrast and size to identify more or less of the particles present. Once the particle identification parameters have been specified, the dialog box can be closed and the measurement started. The XY stage will quickly move from point to point, identifying each particle to be measured and taking a spectrum from each. A spectrum is acquired for each particle and displayed in the center panel above the sample image. Simultaneously, the spectrum is compared to the spectra in the predefined library. As the chemical component of each particle is identified, a label is imprinted over the top of the sample image. Advanced Sample Search, the easy way to identify particles in Raman microscopy.